With disappearing messages in Signal app, any text a user sends will expire after a predefined period of time. The recipient will be alerted to this timer after they have viewed the message. Once expired, the message is deleted from the device. In this video, we are going to learn how to send disappearing messages in Signal Messenger app. In the January, Elon Musk, who is the co-founder of Tesla and also one of the richest men on the planet, said use Signal on his Twitter account. Jack Dorsey, who is the co-founder and CEO of Twitter social media platform, tweeted a heart emoji when Signal app topped the charts on App Store. Disappearing messages can keep the message history tidy. Each and every disappearing message will have a timer countdown icon that is visible at the bottom of the message bubble. In the upcoming section, we are going to learn how to enable or disable the disappearing messages and how to change the timer on Signal Android app and desktop app. The Signal app is an encrypted messaging application which was co-founded by Brian Acton, who is also a co-founder of WhatsApp Messenger app. If you look at the privacy policy on Signal website, then it says Signal does not sell, rent or monetize your personal data or content in any way. If you look at the Forbes article, you can see an image which has Apple App Store privacy labels. It clearly shows that this app has the least data about its users. The Signal Messenger app has just the phone number for login purposes and the functionality of the app, and that's it, which makes it a very privacy friendly messenger app. But wait, this app also has end-to-end encryption technology which provides security to the users. So the number one reason people are switching to this app is privacy combined with security. So to answer the question, which is how do I send a disappearing message on Signal, let's jump on the Signal app on mobile phone. In order to enable the disappearing messages, first open the conversation on which you want to enable the disappearing message feature. Then tap the three-dot menu icon from the top toolbar to view the chat settings. Here, select the disappearing messages feature. Now, select the time frame here. Set your message timer anywhere from 5 seconds to 1 week and choose OK. The chat header will include a timer icon. The chat will also include an alert that shows the timer is enabled. You can see the timer details by tapping the profile icon itself. So let's test this. I'm sending a text message. You can see the timer icon animation, and after the timer is over, message got disappeared. Now I'm sending a photo. So as soon as the photo got uploaded, the timer starts and within 5 seconds, photo got disappeared. Let's say you want to change the time of the disappearing message timer. In order to do that, open the chat conversation, tap the three dots menu icon and click on disappearing message option. Now scroll up or down to select a new message timer and choose OK. At any time, you can disable the disappearing message if you want to. Just open the conversation and tap the three dots menu icon and click on disappearing message option. Now scroll up to select the off option and choose OK. Messages sent after this change will not disappear. Any sent or received message will not contain a timer icon. Now let's learn how to enable the disappearing message on desktop app. If you are using the Signal app on desktop, then here are the steps to enable disappearing messages in Signal. Click on conversation or group chat. Now select the downward arrow icon to view the chat settings. Select the disappearing messages. Now set your message timer anywhere from 5 seconds to 1 week. The chat header will include a timer icon at the top right corner of the app. So this is how you can enable the Signal disappearing messages on desktop app. Similarly, you can select the disappearing messages from the settings and change the timer to 1 day or 1 week. You can also switch off the timer by clicking on off button. So this was the quick introduction of disappearing message feature on Signal Android app. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.